What's the meaning of Cameroonian? Cameroonian. Cameroonian.
Cameroonian. Cameroonian.
Cameroonian refers to a person or thing that is from or related to the country of Cameroon, which is located in Central Africa. The term can be used to describe the nationality of someone who was born or holds citizenship in Cameroon, as well as to indicate the origin or association of something that comes from the country.
Cameroonian culture is diverse and includes over 200 ethnic groups, each with its own traditions and languages.
The country is also known for its natural resources, including oil, minerals, and agricultural products such as cocoa and coffee. Overall, Cameroonian is a word that represents the people, culture, and identity of this unique African nation.